Welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. In this video lecture, I will guide you for 6 big mistakes in the construction of RCC beam. Guys, you can see clearly this is beam, and now let me guide you for details. And this is RCC column. Column mean these are two supports, especially for this beam. So we have 6 big mistakes in beam. So let me guide you for these big mistakes. The first one is especially for the, guys, you can see for the hooks, right? Hooks which are, sorry, not hooks, for the development length. The first one is for the development length. What is development length? So this is development length, guys. You can see here this is a beam and these are two support. So guys, you can see clearly this is RCC in beam. These are steel reinforcement, so it should be bent to the downward side, and this one also. So now guys, the bottom bars should be bent to the upward side like this, guys. You can see like this, and which are connected to these columns steel reinforcement like this, guys. You can see here this is the steel which should be bent to the downward side, and this is a bottom steel reinforcement which is called tension, so it should be bent to the upward side. This is called development length, DL, right? So this is development length. So the development length should not be less than 12 inches. Okay, but in many construction I saw them and 6 big mistakes, they are not providing development length. So it should be provided like this. So this is the best way. So don't do same like this. This is the wrong way for the development length, right? Next, guys, here as you can see, guys, this is a span. So the span, suppose, which is 20 feet, for example. This is 20 feet span. So the span should be divided by L by 4. L by 4 mean this is span which is called L. Right, the L is 20 feet, so the length should be divided by 4, where, guys, we have 20 feet, divided by 4, where we have 5 feet distance. Okay, so guys, you can see this is, and this is called L by 4 distance, where we have more chances of cracks. To resist cracks, here we should provide the stirrups closely, guys. You can see like this, look here. And now you can increase like this. Okay, again at the distance of L by 4, it should provide closely. And we have big mistakes in this point that, guys, you can see clearly. Let me guide you. This is a beam steel reinforcement. Inside this we are placing the what we can say, the stirrups. So guys, you can see here this is steel reinforcement. This is L by 4, right? And this is L by 4. Here we have one support. This is other support, guys. You can see clearly. Look here. So now we have more chances of cracks. To resist cracks, so here we should provide the spacing closely, same like this, guys. You can see to the distance of L by 4, same here. And you can increase here. So here, remember, the die of the steel should not be less than 6 millimeter, minimum 6 millimeter, minimum, with the spacing of 6 inches center to center. Okay, but here, guys, it should not be less than this, right? It should not be more than this, but the normally I'm recommending you use 4 inches center to center, right? 4 inches like this, center to center spacing, but here you can go up to 7 inches. This is very important for you people to know about this point. This is, and these are 2 big mistakes. Next, guys, you can see the third one. So this is the first one. This is the second one. The third one, guys, you can see here, this is a beam section. So the width of the beam should be less than its depth. So guys, if this is 9 inches, so the depth should be 12 inches. The depth should be 12 inches. But normally, we are providing the same size, 12 by 12 inches. So the width should be less than depth. So the depth should be more than width. So this is the third big mistake that people are using like this. Now let me guide you for the steel reinforcement. Suppose, guys, this is a beam, right? So they are providing 2 bars at the bottom and 2 at the top. So this is the wrong way. 2 at the top, 2 at the bottom. This is the wrong way. So what is the correct way? So here, guys, you can see this is the correct way. Okay, use minimum 3 bars at the bottom, 2 at the top, because concrete is weak in tension, so therefore we should provide maximum numbers compared to the top portion, and 2 at the top. Don't use 2 at the bottom, 2 at the top. If you are providing 3 at the top, so provide 4 at the bottom. This is very important for you people to know about these points. Next, guys, remember, don't use less than the other big mistake we have. Normally the people are using here 10 millimeter die of steel rod. Okay, so don't use 10 millimeter. Use at the bottom minimum 12 millimeter. Also at the top you should provide minimum 12 millimeter die of steel rod, which is very important for you people to know about this point. Next, guys, we are providing hooks. Guys, you can see here, this is the stirrup, so it should be bent on 135 degree, not same like this. Guys, you can see normally the people are using like this, so this is the not correct way, this is the correct way. Okay, and the hook's length should not be less than 3 inches. Right, so guys, you can see here, these are the details especially for the 6 big mistakes. Next, guys, in the beam, which is very important for you people to provide extra steel rods at the distance of L/4. So extra steel rods are important, extra rods which should be provided at the distance of L/4, as I discussed here, because we have more chances of cracks. Same like this, guys, you can see here we have negative bending moment, here we have negative, here we have positive bending moment. So therefore we should provide extra steel rods to resist negative bending moment, especially in beam. So guys, these are 6 big mistakes, so you should avoid during construction site, otherwise you will face more problems. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.